Yeah, let's go look at some shopping.
Let's look at some shopping? No, we're gonna do some shopping.
Okay. Or look at clothes.
You're just gonna look at them?
Just look at it.
You're just gonna look at it. Just look at it.
Yeah. We don't need to do any more than that.
Who are you talking to? You know that if I see anything Donald, it's being purchased.
Yeah. I think you have this one.
I do have it.
This is cool.
I know. That is cool. I don't look good in yellow though. Well, I don't think I do.
You look good in everything.
Oh, you're so sweet.
Don't lie. Look at that. That's cool.
Spirit jersey? Yeah. It's a lot.
Yeah.
But yeah. It's cute.
Yeah. Welcome to this world.
Do you see like the windbreaker they have?
Where?
Right here.
Oh my god. That's awesome.
It's kind of cool. Oh my gosh.
We got a whole Haunted Mansion villains. Actually, this is a villains wall.
Oh yeah, that's the villains wall. Oh, that button down's cool.
Yeah. Look at that.
Yeah.
I like this. This is cool. Ooh.
Ready?
Yeah.
There's a back. Look.
Oh yeah.
These are cool.
That's awesome.
They're. Yeah, that's. Oh, they glow in the dark. Look at these socks, Lincoln. That's cool.
Artsy detail.
With the Mickey ears.
Yeah. Baby Yoda.
That's a lot. It's just a lot of the child. Look at that whole wall.
Props of the child.
Look at the whole wall over there.
Oh my god. That's crazy. I see Halloween stuff. Props.
This is hard to find for a while, no?
Yeah.
Leggings are cute.
Yeah. Nice. Pumpkins. Ooh, candy corn. Candy corn. What is it?
Lollipop, candy corn, colored ears.
Yeah. Ooh.
Are you sure you don't want this shirt?
I do like it.
I know you said you wanted it, but I mean, I'm not going to force you to get it. I have it.
It's cool.
And when I bought it, what did I say to you?
You're going to want it. Yeah.
And what did you say?
No.
And then once I got it, what did you say?
I want it.
Exactly.
Ooh. Those are cool candles.
It's pumpkin spice.
Is it really?
Yeah.
I like these too. Like candle holders?
Yeah, I think you put the little tea light candles.
Yeah.
In the back. Whoops.
Ah.
Yeah, you put the little.
I like this for the house.
Yeah, it's cute.
I think we should get it.
I think we should get it after Halloween when it's on sale.
Well, that was fun.
It was fun.
Yeah, but it's a little short, it's a little crowded, that's why we
Yeah.
got out. But we might go to Disney Springs later, we'll see what happens.
Yeah, we'll see.
You know?
We got some, our eye on some stuff.
Gotta take advantage of part-time.
Yeah, of course.
Yeah.
Absolutely, yeah. Yeah, let's go
I don't know.
back down Main Street.
Woo! Well, that was a cool parade.
I got to finally see Donald.
Yeah. There's
That's
a
it?
castle.
Vacation made, by the way.
Okay, let's go home.
No, wait. Because I get to see Donald again. If that comes through again. That was awesome. That was good. That was the one we were waiting for.
Yeah.
Yeah, you want to walk in here?
And where are we going now? Up
We're gonna...
the castle?
I know. Well, it's funny because normally you can't do this often.
No.
Because there's normally a stage here.
Yeah.
And they have the stage show going on, and it's only at night you can walk through the castle, so we're gonna take advantage of this.
Yeah.
And look at it up close.
And personal.
Oh my god. How can you say this doesn't look good?
That doesn't look good.
Are you serious?
Alright, here we go. Through the castle.
I'm always so impressed every time we walk through here. Because all the murals, they're like little stones.
Yeah.
And they're just so, I don't know. It's just, it's amazing how somebody did that.
Awesome. I don't know how, really. It's just the whole castle itself is crazy.
I know.
It's so good.
I know. I think that's where the magic comes from.
I love the vibe.
Yes, that's what I'm saying. That's exactly what I'm
That's what
saying.
it's all about.
Is the here we don't have our food here?
Is
Is it? Okay. She told us it was here. Thank you. I love your name. I didn't know that. The best. You ready? Thank you. Have a nice day. All right.
Kind of like this.
Yeah.
It's glow in the dark.
It's really cool.
Yeah, and it goes in the dark. Wow.
Really cool.
Yeah, right?
I like the hat.
The fedora.
Yeah.
Of course you do. Do you
What?
want that?
I don't know. How much is it?
It's basically in the garage.
30. $29.99.
It's a maybe. We'll think about it.
I like the button down. Not that you would wear it, but
That is cool. It's black though. I may wear it.
yeah, it's black and purple. Bust the move.
That's cool.
Yeah, it is. Ooh, the crop top's cute too. Ooh, are these sweatpants? Stop it. Oh my gosh, these are totally sweatpants. These are adorable.
Yeah, those are cool.
$44.99.
And there's my ghost host.
So these are the jars that light up, right?
I think so.
Oh sure. Yeah, these are cool.
Cool. Got Madame Leota.
These are actually going for a lot for resale.
Ooh, look at these.
Oh, that's cool.
Here we are.
Wait. 5 seconds ago, you held up the camera
Yeah.
and you went, all right,
Yeah.
dinner time. And I said, are you recording? And you said, yeah. And then I said, no, you're not. You're like, no, I'm not. Wow, this sun is like right in my
Now
face.
I am.
I feel delirious a little bit, no?
Yeah,
It's not
we're
even that
exhausted.
late.
Yeah, it is. It's like 5:30. We've been there since 9.
Anyway.
But it's all worth it.
Of course it is.
Yes.
Of course. We waited a while to be here, so
Mood
we're
to you.
taking full advantage. We are going to Liberty Tree Tavern for dinner.
Yeah.
We're actually just waiting for our reservation. It's in a couple minutes.
Yeah.
Yeah, we've never been.
Nope.
We know what it is.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't even know. I don't know what to expect because I don't eat Thanksgiving dinner. I don't eat turkey. I dabble in other stuff, and I know they have other stuff, which is great, and that's what I'll eat. But yeah, I
And
think
I
you're
eat
gonna like
anything.
it. Yes, you do. I think you're gonna like it.
Yeah. And
I
the
think-
dessert I heard is really good.
Yeah.
So.
Yeah, I'm excited to try it. It's gonna be fun.
And there it is.
Yeah. Yep.
Right there.
We did it again.
Oops.
We started eating before we showed any of the food. So that had salad in it, which was very good. There was turkey and like a pork and then another pork, I don't really know. And here's the stuffing, which was really good. The mac and cheese, which is amazing, and it came with gravy. And there was green beans and mashed potatoes, and then there's rolls over there with butter, which were actually good. Are you enjoying your food?
Yeah, I got a little wet. This is delicious.
Yes.
When you want like a Thanksgiving type meal.
You're right. So we just need to remember next time to film the food before we start eating. But anyway, and you got another iced tea.
Without me even asking.
And there is dessert at some point. Holy moly. Worth it? That looks awesome. All right. Ooey gooey toffee.
It's gone. That was so good.
It's really good. Like, I'm glad I didn't have a lot of dinner.
I know.
That was worth it.
Wow.
It was so good. Yeah.
Definitely come here for dessert again. All
Just
alone.
dessert. We have like 5 rounds of the ooey toffee cake, please. That's it.
That's it.
That's all I want.
And now Magic Kingdom's closed.
It is closed. Let's go take some pictures.
Yeah.
I'm full from dessert.
Yeah.
What'd you think?
Yeah, it was good. It was okay. I like the dessert better.
Yeah, not my cup of tea.
Yeah.
Again, I'm not a big Thanksgiving dinner fan, so the mac and cheese was good.
Yeah.
Stuffing was good. I felt like a carb overload because I ate the mac and cheese and the stuffing and the green beans and the mashed potatoes, right? Yeah, just again, not my cup of tea. But it's a nice place.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The waitress was great.
Yeah. And now, if you can tell, nobody behind us
Server.
because the park is closed.
Yeah.
So.
And it looks amazing in front of us.
Yeah. It's
I'm
like
excited.
just the right time because it's only starting to get dark.
Yeah.
So.
Take some good pictures.
Yeah. Yeah. Exactly.
And we can insert them here.
Sure. So first time this trip, taking the bus. Our friends went back to their room. We're gonna head to Disney Springs.
Ooh.
There she is.
Yeah.
How come he doesn't have eyelashes?
That's what I said. But apparently they're above.
Oh, ew, what the heck? That's weird. Okay, all right, fine, that's weird.
Oh my god. DJ Rex is here.
This is what you wanted.
Oh my god.